Imagine you're on a dream vacation, exploring the bustling markets of Tokyo, the ancient ruins of Rome, or the pristine beaches of Bali. You've carefully planned your trip, booked your flights, and packed your bags. But what about your finances? How will you pay for your expenses while abroad? Today, we're going to answer a question that many travelers have on their minds. Can you use a Stash card internationally? Before we dive into the answer, let's quickly recap what a Stash card is. It's a debit card issued by Stash, a popular investment app that allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. The Stash card is linked to your Stash account, and you can use it to make purchases anywhere that accepts Visa. Addressing the main question. So, can you use your Stash card internationally? The short answer is yes, you can. Stash cards are accepted in most countries around the world. You can use them to pay for hotel rooms, flights, meals, and attractions. Important considerations. While you can use your Stash card internationally, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Foreign transaction fees. When you use your Stash card abroad, you may be subject to foreign transaction fees. These fees are typically a percentage of the transaction amount. It's a good idea to check with Stash to see what their foreign transaction fees are. ATM fees. If you need to withdraw cash from an ATM while traveling, you may be charged ATM fees by both Stash and the ATM operator. These fees can add up quickly, so it's best to plan your withdrawals carefully. Exchange rates. When you use your Stash card abroad, your transaction will be converted from your local currency to the currency of the country you're visiting. The exchange rate used will determine how much you'll pay for your purchase. It's a good idea to shop around for the best exchange rates before you travel. Tips for using your Stash card internationally. Here are a few tips for using your Stash card internationally. Notify Stash of your travel plans. Before you leave for your trip, it's a good idea to notify Stash of your travel plans. This will help prevent your card from being declined due to suspicious activity. Check your account regularly. While you're traveling, it's important to check your Stash account regularly to monitor your spending and ensure that there are no unauthorized transactions. Have a backup plan. In case your Stash card is lost or stolen, it's a good idea to have a backup payment method, such as a credit card or traveler's checks. So, can you use your Stash card internationally? Absolutely. It's a convenient and secure way to pay for your expenses while traveling. Just be aware of foreign transaction fees, ATM fees, and exchange rates. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.